Hello guys, and welcome to the new shot. So it's been in the works for a little while. I've been trying to find a spot where I could come and record, where it was just me, no distractions, no home environment, and just focus on my productions. And I finally have found that spot, and I'm in my new filming location now. Before I talk about what is in the filming location, first I'll talk about why I felt like it was time for me to find a place like this to record. Obviously, I've been using my home office to do my recordings up to this point, and while that's been great to start, it's still my home and it's a shared space. So my wife, my dog, and I, we're all in the same space together, and that office is also used for other purposes. I do web design, graphic design, and marketing work, and sharing that space, trying to keep it professional for recording while also being productive and getting work done for my clients. It was a lot going on in the same space. Also, it's just not always opportune to be able to record at home. There's a lot of things going on, competing noises, dog barking, people on the phone, that sort of thing. But now I've got a small space, but a space nonetheless that I can come in, record everything in, and it's going to look the same every single time. And that's the big thing in this space that I'm aiming for, is consistency of the shot, primarily in the shot angle, the lighting, that sort of thing. So a few things that I'm using that are brand new in the setup to accomplish that, and I'll start with lighting. So for lighting, I have the Shiyun Cinepeer CM25. It's a 25 watt light. It goes from 2700 to 6200 Kelvin. Lots of flexibility in what I can do in terms of lighting myself in the shots now, and pretty darn cost effective too. It's like under 70 Canadian dollars, so probably about 50 US dollars, and I will link it and everything else in the set down below so you can check it out for yourself if you're interested in sort of a starter entry light for video production. Next, right here for audio, of course, is from friend of the channel Mau. This is their PD200XS microphone and boom arm. It fits perfectly into the shot, and the audio quality is fantastic. But the other thing that's really great about this mic is that it is USB-C, which means I have it connected to the next thing in the set here, the brand new iPad Pro, which I'm able to record directly from the mic input into the iPad. I don't need my MacBook or an auxiliary device to connect to. I can just come in, plug into the iPad, and start recording immediately. One cable, no wiring, no plugs. It's a great combo. And again, this mic, super cost effective. Like, I think right now under $100 on Amazon. Again, link will be down below. And lastly, what is keeping it all held together? Well, that is the arm that I've got the camera and the light mounted on. And that's the Vijum, I'm not sure, LS02 arm. It's got the camera mounted right in front. Of course, my trusty Sony a6700 with G Master lens. And the light is mounted on there. It's all adjustable, but I think this is what works in terms of setup for me. But there's a lot of flexibility. You can move the camera arm out this direction. So yeah, lots of flexibility in terms of what you can do with shot setup. I kind of like this angle, and I like the lighting. But yeah, that is the new shot. So for the foreseeable future, this is what my backdrop is going to be. Sorry in advance if anybody liked the Lego cars, but those are staying at home. And this is my next step and the journey, my YouTube journey, to professionalizing, to formalizing, to establishing consistency, and hopefully producing better quality content that looks and feels a little bit nicer, and again, more consistent, better lit, hopefully better sounding than what I've been doing to date. But let me know what you guys think in terms of the sound quality, the lighting, the shot style, and the setup equipment that I've gotten here. Let's have a conversation as always down in the comments below. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again soon in the next video, where you can see what I can do in the new space.